Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is a first impression and review on MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Primer. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I have my phone. I'm really gonna cleanse about this primer. It claims it is a silky gel primer that is suitable for all skin types, that's designed to hydrate and refine skin while adding a luminous glow. It claims that it evens skin texture over time, refines skin, and is dermatologist tested, and it is free of silicones, parabens, mineral oil, petroleum. It has no harsh chemicals because it has clean ingredients. It retails for $46 and it's available at Ulta Beauty. So this is a sample size. Once again, this is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Primer, and they have two colors. They have the pink shade and they have the yellow shade. So in this case, I have is the radiant yellow. So I'll insert a picture right here how the full size look like. So I'm gonna open it up and I'm gonna see how it looks like. Put some right here. So once again, this is the yellow one. See, this is the yellow, the radiant yellow. Okay, so the formula of this primer is very lightweight. It is not a thick formula, and I'm smelling it and it has no scent to it, but I just keep in mind that the formula is very lightweight. So let's apply. Okay, so I apply the primer and this is how it looks on my skin. You can see it feels very luminous, as it says. My skin feels very dewy and whatnot, and when I was applying it, it felt very lightweight. It felt like I was applying a moisturizer. So to test this primer even more, I am going to use a foundation, and I'm gonna apply some foundation. So I'm using the Rare Beauty Lightweight Weightless Foundation in the shade 210N. Okay, so this is how the primer looks with the foundation. So this is the MAC primer. I apply, then I use the Rare Beauty liquid weightless foundation in 210, and this is how it looks with the primer. So I'm going to finish doing the rest of my makeup, and I'm gonna leave this on for like about 5 hours, and I'll be right back. I am back and it is 1 p.m. I have did this video early in the morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. So now it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I want you guys to see how my skin looks, like the primer along with all the makeup that I put on, as you can see. So my honest opinions about this MAC and Prime Natural Radiance primer in the shade yellow. I really like it. It really did leave my skin radiant and glowy, just dewy. My skin looks very dewy and glowy. I just really like it. And if you can see close up on my skin, this primer along with this foundation, the rest of my makeup, that like my skin with everything doesn't look cakey whatsoever. It's like it smooths everything out. This primer really smoothed my skin. So for first impression, I really like this MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance Primer in the shade yellow. So again, this is a sample size, so the full size, I'll insert a picture right here. So that is how the full size look like. So for first impression, I just really like it. I loved how it left my skin look when I applied my foundation, my bronzer, my powder, everything. It just makes my skin look so smooth, which like in like other primers in the market will like leave my skin like cakey and whatnot. This not definitely smooth it out, but also leaves my skin looking luminous. It has that luminous glow. Remember, it retails for $46 and it's available at Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this review, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.